Okay, let's try something different.
So itatry naman natin ngayon guys itong MC na GSW1, okay? Golden State Warriors. At kung mapapansin nyo guys, na limited money lang nga rin po ito guys, no? So try na po natin itong ano guys, MC GSW. Let's go! Kung mapapansin nyo guys, Golden State Warriors, no? So click natin guys, yung kalaban nila yung Clippers. Yan, let's go! Yan, play na natin guys.
The starting fives for our game.
Okay, so yan na po. Los Angeles Clippers versus Golden State Warriors. Let's go. James Harden is sa Kawhi Leonard doon sa Clippers, no, diba? Yan, Buddy Hield, D'Antoni Melton, Stephen Curry. Let's go. Angas ng uniform na Curry dito, no? Okay, susunod na natin to guys.
Tip off goes to the Clippers.
So ito ng bola, hindi alit pala to. Oops.
Pass to Leonard.
Sa atin rebound guys. Uy, layo. Guys,
Well, the effort was there, but he just couldn't quite fight his way through traffic.
Nice one. Hey!
It is so hard to contain.
Guys,
He
diba?
just seems to get it done
Angas.
however he has to do it.
Back to Harden. Wide open. And he hits the jumper for two.
Kala ko tres eh. Dito, nice. Guys.
You know, there are a lot of bigger power forwards than him in the NBA.
Okay, so ano tayo? Free throw.
On the free throw, no good.
Namang naman tayo eh.
On defense, Golden State.
Uy, shoot pa rin.
Shoddy defense there. They've got to at least get a finger on it.
And about a minute gone here in the first quarter. Outside Curry.
Nice. Uy.
He was fouled on the way out. Two free throws now for him.
Let's go.
And he knocks down the first one.
Nice one.
And he makes both free throws.
Gitnang-gitna yan guys eh. So kung bago pa lang kayo sa YouTube channel natin guys, click niyo po yung subscribe button. Kung nasa Facebook page naman po kayo, click niyo yung follow guys.
Outside Leonard. Right side Leonard. Intercepted.
Nice, baba.
They're running.
Takdak mo na. Nice one. Natuloy.
Here's Los Angeles. 4-point game. Little over a minute 30 into this first quarter.
Hey.
Had the space there, but it's offline.
When he's wide open like that, he'll rarely miss those.
Nabara dito. Uy, tapan. Aba. Hindi kasalanan nito kaya dapat ako makuha ng bola.
Done. Plenty of space. And again, no good by the Clippers.
Nito.
Here in the first, just under 2.5 minutes played so far. From downtown.
Nice one.
He's good.
Okay, tayo naman yan guys.
You know what, guys? He can really light it up from the perimeter at times.
Mr. Harden.
Sorry, Paul.
And the Clippers making a switch here.
Angas naman yung guys.
Down low. They need this.
Kapal ka.
14 feet away.
Nice
And it's
one.
good off the glass.
That's a clean look they
Tambak na
gave
sila
him there.
guys.
He drains those.
Tambak na sila.
To the inside. And he gives that
Kamali.
strong with one hand and flushes it down.
Kamali tayo dun. Pasa mo dito.
Lets the three fly. And
Nice.
another three for Golden State.
Ayos nun.
I like the offensive awareness to exploit that lack of coverage on that play.
Puts it up. And that one is
Baba,
right
baba.
down.
Baba.
Major
Iangat ka.
defensive lapse right there. I mean, he's not a player you can leave open for a jump shot. You got to stay attached to him. They're lucky he couldn't punish them for it.
Kapal.
And in the second quarter, a little under 3.5 minutes played already.
If they
Kung
can
bago
hit
pa lang
every
ligay guys
possession
sa
with
ating
that
YouTube
shot,
channel guys,
they'd be
click na
happy.
subscribe button and
9
at-least
times
pa
out of
mga
10,
tips guys sa ating mga
an
sa
easy
video
layup.
no?
And he gets it to go.
Grabe naman yun.
9 points in the game so far.
Nasa Facebook page nyo, pakiclick na din pala no?
Shot at that end.
They could use a big shot here to get this offense going.
Good, Kev. I mean, too many.
So hanggang dito na lang po yung video natin guys. Nakita po tayo sa next na video. God bless po sa atin lang.
Okay, let's try something different.